Hi, you're welcome back to Easy Loan TV, where we talk about microfinance loans, how you can access these loans, how these loans will help your business, what you need to do to get these loans. That's what we discuss here on Easy Loan TV. And my name's Lillian. If you're here for the first time, I appreciate you. Thank you for stopping by, and I hope you will not leave after watching this video. You will subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell, so each time I publish a new video, you will be notified. Now, what are we talking about today? Have you seen where two people go to a microfinance bank or a microfinance firm to access loans and they give only one person? You know, this person keeps getting loans from microfinance firms while the other person does not. It's not as if the person doesn't have goods, but there are reasons why she or he has not been receiving loans, and that is what I want to discuss here today. Now, when you look at this thing, some people may be thinking it's luck. No, it is not luck, it's behavior. It's not village people like we used to say in Nigeria, my village people that have come. No, it's not village people, it's behavior. You know, most times people think that behavior does not matter. It helps in many instances, and microfinance is one of those. I work closely with people who apply for microfinance loans, and I see patterns every day. And you see, most people are rejected for reasons people don't even care to explain to them. They just tell you, we will not give you, and you don't even bother to ask them why, what happened. You see, the first reason is repayment behavior. You know, you come to my office, I give you a loan. Okay, let's say I give you a loan of 200,000 naira. I gave you that money as a lump sum. I did not divide the money. I did not say, okay, I'll give you 100,000 today and I'll give you 100,000 tomorrow. I gave it to you as a lump sum, and you are expected to repay the money weekly. Let's say you're repaying 10,000 naira weekly. You are expected to repay the money weekly. All right? It's a weekly loan that I gave you. Now, every week, instead of you to give me 10,000 naira, you give me 7,500. You are making part payments. It will affect me as a microfinance person who is giving you the loan. It will affect my statement of account. It will affect how I do my account, because your money is not complete. Now you pay 7,500 this week, next week you give me 2,500 or you give me 1,000. It does not work that way. Maybe you'll be getting away with it, but after that loan, after you are done repaying that loan, it will be difficult for you to access another one. They will not give you again, because the one you were giving, you did not repay it well. Your attitude towards the loan will cost you the next one. Institutions don't just lend money. They lend based on patterns. Now you have come, I gave you a loan, you are not able to repay it well. Even you should know that the next one may be difficult for you to get. So that is why we are two of us. We went to a place, somebody else is repaying her own well, and she doesn't have any problem getting loans each time she applies. But they give you a loan, you are paying anyhow you like. And you still want those people to give you another one. If they are able to, get the ones they gave you, if you are able to repay that one, they manage you as a client. The next time, you will not get the loan. So behavior can make somebody not to get the loan she needs. You have the business, fine. Maybe you have the documents, fine. But how did you repay the last one they gave you? That is a minus. And this is one of the reasons why people do not get loans, even when they have a business. Another reason is structure, lack of structure. Many people want loans, but their business does not have the flow required to access a loan. What do I mean by that? There is no consistency, there is no clarity, there is no simple record. The things that will help you to get the loan, you don't have them. No structure. You do things anyhow. You see, when you are running a business, the first thing you have to do for yourself is to put a structure in place, so that whatever you need, anything you need, you will know that no one is no longer you alone. You have a business to run. You are running a business. There must be a structure, so that if you need a loan, if you need assistance from an institution, you'll be able to provide what you have, even if it is very small. With that, you can achieve whatever you want to achieve, your business goals. you'll be able to achieve them. But when you don't have structure and you're in business, and one day you need a loan, it will affect you negatively. So if you have not built structure in your business, start doing it now, so that in the future you may be able to use it to access a loan or do other things with institutions that you may want to do business with, or even an individual you want to partner with may want to see what structure do you have in place. If nothing is on ground, you may lose an opportunity that would have boosted your business, because loans respond to structure, not desperation. I have seen people who get loans easily. I have seen people who have been rejected time and again. The thing is discipline. If you want to access a loan for your business, inculcate discipline into whatever you're doing. You have to be disciplined. Without that, you will not be able to repay your loan. You have to discipline yourself that, oh, I wanted to buy this thing, but I have my loan to pay. I want to make my weekly payments, or I want to make my monthly payments. You will have to delay gratification. Let it be known that, let your people know that they can't always run to you for money. Discipline yourself to get that loan. Discipline yourself to access the loan, and discipline yourself to repay. Because it is not easy to take a loan, honestly. Let me tell you, it's not easy. Because repayment, you go and collect money. Repayment is not a tea party. Because you're looking at the money, you're looking at the things that you're buying. Somebody is bringing Ashebi and you're looking at your money, say, why don't I just buy Ashebi and follow my friends and do some small guy. Meanwhile, there are things you need to do. The business must come first. Of course, you have to pay yourself, but also you have to consider your business. How well is your business doing? So discipline plays a major part in the progression of loans. If you will go further, discipline has to be inculcated in the way you do things. If you have not been doing that, consider doing it, okay? If you are disciplined enough, honestly, repayment will not be a problem to you. Because you know that every month end you will pay. So when the money comes, you put it aside. Don't wait till it is tomorrow. Then today you start running katika. No. Keep the money aside. So that you do with ease. Because here on Easy Loan TV, we talk about how you can repay your loan with ease. If you're not repaying your loan with ease, then that means you're suffering. And you don't need it as a business person. Each time you sit down, you are thinking, how do I repay this loan? How do I repay this loan? But if you're doing the right thing, you'll be able to repay your money with ease. And another thing is, take what you can afford to repay at a time. Like the person I gave 200,000 naira that was paying me 7.5. If the person has accessed 100,000 naira, it would have been easy. Then he will pay like 5,000 naira. And he will have 2,500 naira as change to keep. So please, do what you have to do. Your behavior is there. Keep records, be consistent. Let there be clarity in what you're doing. And be disciplined enough. When you have all these things, each time you'll be able to get money. You'll be liquid enough. And because when you're getting enough funds, you can expand your business, you can do other things, and your business will be moving. And let me tell you one thing that microfinance will do. Once you are repaying your money when you're supposed to repay and your business is moving, you can never lack funds to do your business. If you've ever applied for a loan and you didn't get it, say me in the comments. Let's take the discussion further. Now, if you've watched this time and you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do subscribe to this channel and enable the notification bell, so each time I post a video you will receive a notification. I want to appreciate you for stopping by. Thank you for watching, and please come again. Bye.